Hi, Cassie. Just talk to you with you about your paper for a little bit. First thing, you can get rid of this stuff here at the beginning, the title and the heading. It's not necessary. We're going to have a title page that's going to take care of that. Second, as we start to actually get into your paper itself, you did a nice job of trying to grab the reader's attention. Every year, thousands of sea turtles are hatched annually from the nest. Sadly, only 1,000 to 10,000 of those sea turtles make it to adulthood. Good. This now leads me as the reader to ask, well, why is that happening? So you've already started to pull me in here a little bit. Sea turtles have been around for 65 million years, but are currently the most endangered marine animal in the world. This also grabs my attention. If they've been around for so long, why is it they now are starting to go extinct? And then you start to run down here the reasons why this is happening. Excellent. You then talk about the ecological devastation and why it is that I should care about this. And you go on to then discuss the different reasons why the sea turtles are going extinct. Everything that you have right here, Cassie, I think is quite good. There is just one big problem, and that's you don't really provide me with any quotes. There is only one or two places where you actually summarize what somebody else has said, but I don't believe there's anywhere where you actually quote a source and try to explain to me what an authority on this issue has to say. Your paper is not, well, let's phrase it like this. You are not an authority on sea turtles or biology. That's not to say that you can't have something interesting to say, but at your age and your status, you need to be able to cite other people in order to lend weight and authority to what you're trying to get at. So you need to revisit this paper, find out where the places are in each paragraph that you can add quotes from authorities who are going to back up what it is that you're saying. And then at the end, summarize not what they've said, but how you feel and how these other authorities are helping to support your feelings. If you can do that, I think you have a pretty solid paper. Okay, think about what I've had to say, and we'll discuss this when you get to class.